Last week I made a video on the worst island in the world filled with monsters. Recently I've gotten myself a little monster. This is Stormy. Here is another example of a real island of monsters. Foster's rule is when animals get stuck on islands and become either way bigger or creepily small. Today we're going to be talking about the real-life Skull Island, Zealandia. Dear God Almighty. I like to call it the zoo on steroids. It's like a circus on LSD, home to the largest penguin in history. Imagine getting trapped on an island, thinking you see a human figure in the shadows, and then when you pull the leaves apart, it's a penguin face right at your eye level. Birds are like modern dinosaurs. Zealandia was home to the biggest of birds. Just like Darwin's finches, these moa birds evolved for a bunch of different habitats, anywhere from mountains to valleys. Despite their gargantuan size, they were not free of worry. It was bird eat bird on Zealandia, and one of the bird-eatiest of them all was Haast's eagle, whose wings could probably hug you while it was pecking your eyes out. Some of these birds that ate birds also ate their own species of bird, like the cannibal parrot. Its name almost means unexpected Hercules, which would be true because it just seems like a parrot, and then you realize its strong beak is being used to eat its own brothers and sisters. This doesn't seem so scary until you remember it was the size of a toddler. Another dinosauroid creature that stalked Zealandia was the giant Zealandian crocodile who fed on birds. Probably picked its teeth with feathers. Nightfall comes to Zealandia, you might try and hide in the caves, and you might run into a beautiful yet terrifying scene. The Waitomo caves have bioluminescent worms. They attract insects to stick to this gluey substance where they are pulled up like an evil Spider-Man and eaten. I can't imagine wanting to hang out with worms over my head. Giant lobsters, huge crickets, and flightless bats that scurry out of underground tunnels in swarms are welcoming you on this beautiful journey. Another dinosaur-looking creature was a spiky-tailed horned creature with an armor shell. These devil-horned creatures are actually pretty cool. I actually really like this. It's like a modern-day Triceratops. Another turtle would be the leatherback turtle, one of the largest of its kind. But don't hang out in the ocean too long because leopard seals, giant eels, and sucking lampreys also live there. Don't bring your swim trunks. Not only that, but it feels like Pandora when standing next to some of the tallest trees in the world. Tell me in the comments which monster island we should visit next, because God, is there a couple of them. Who am I kidding? I'd love to visit this island.